Another day at the shop. That's gonna be dandy when we're doing that. Motorcycle rack in the front of it, air conditioner, diamond box. I think this is gonna look nothing like it was before. That's a complete restoration there, but Tony hard at it like he always is. Spring has kind of sort of sprung. That one there is going to the fire department. We donated that one to the fire department for the rescue boat. These guys are great guys in Lincoln County. They do a lot to protect the community, do a lot of extra things, but it's worth it to us. These guys are great guys. Please support your local first responders, and military, and medical. They're the ones that help keep us alive and safe. Either way, just let me see a spring day at Missouri Trail.